This video is to show you how to find the remote to your Apple TV. Apple TVs are great, so are the remotes, but they're really small and they get lost all the time. Here's a quick tip on finding that remote. And all you're going to need is your iPhone. On your iPhone, we're going to swipe up from the bottom and you'll see the remote in your control center. Now in a previous video, I showed you how to add that remote to the control center. So if you don't see it, go check out that video and we'll get it there. The link's in the description. But once it's there, you're just going to click on the remote. And then you're going to click on the name of your Apple TV. And then you'll see the button that says Find. Click on Find. And now pick up your phone. And we're going to use it to find out where this remote is. We're near it right now. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. And you can see it says here, and check it out. Right here on the couch cushion is the Apple remote. Hope this video was helpful, and I hope it helps you find your remote. If it did, give us a thumbs up.